Next up, we have AJ Abdallat, founder and CEO of Beyond Limits, artificial intelligence for the world's most demanding industries. Today, AJ will be discussing the past, present, and future of unified artificial intelligence.
I'm happy to be here at Web Summit. I'm here to talk about cognitive AI, artificial intelligence, the past, present, and the future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have been around for decades. In fact, artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy in 1956. Machine learning was invented in 1959 by Samuel Arthur. But they really were limited in use because of a couple of things. One is the lack of data and the lack of compute infrastructure. We have come a long way since then. With the advancement in compute infrastructure and the abundance of data, we really were able to advance machine learning and deep learning techniques. This is what we describe as narrow AI. Narrow AI is the ability to use AI to solve a specific task, sometimes better than humans. Where we are today, what's the latest? Is cognitive AI, and I'm going to talk about that in the next slide. What is the future? The future is what we call strong AI, or sometimes we refer to it as artificial general intelligence. And this is the ability for AI systems to do more than one task, and they can actually exceed a human intelligence. I'm here to tell you that still is featured in science fiction movies. We're not there, but we believe that cognitive AI is the gateway to get us there. Also with the advancement in quantum computing technologies. So what is cognitive AI? Cognitive AI is the ability to use a unified approach in attacking problems, utilizing a data-driven approach with machine learning and deep learning techniques, and also symbolic AI that would allow us to codify human knowledge and human expertise and engineering. What you see here is one articulation of what we call the pyramids of machine intelligence. And at the bottom, you see the data-driven approach that started with data analytics and statistics. So now we were able to take huge amount of data and extract information from that. Then we've used machine learning and deep learning techniques to extract features from the information. And with cognitive reasoning, adding the symbolic AI, we're now able to use AI systems to take actionable intelligence once we extract features from the information. At the top of the pyramid, you see something called cognitive corporation. This is a vision that was pioneered by Marvin Minsky, one of the grandfathers of modern AI. And it is the ability to network AI systems to gain greater insight into data and problems that we're trying to solve. In 2020, it's really hard to talk about anything without mentioning COVID-19. As tragic of a situation as COVID-19, there is a silver lining. We've adopted to the new norm, if you will, in terms of working from home. Corporations adopted or accelerated the adoption of digital transformation and AI tools. This has really led to a wider adoption of digital transformation, which really led to two important things. One is a trust in the AI solutions, which is an important factor. With cognitive reasoning, the ability to explain how you get the answer, providing the audit trail, that led to an acceptance and trust by the user. And eventually the other thing was innovation. And this is going to be a key element that's going to help us get to the holy grail, which is artificial strong intelligence and artificial general intelligence. I want to thank you for the time, and I want to thank Web Summit for inviting me to talk about AI.